ओ फक, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई। ओके लेट्स सी मैं इसको कैसे सेटअप कर सकता हूँ। ओके, राइट। डॉग आई लुक सो फकिंग रिटार्डेड भाई, मेरे बाल इतने चूतिए लग रहे हैं। राइट, बाय द वे पता है आज क्या हुआ? आई डिडंट नो दैट there is a difference between a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. And I thought अगर मैं बस कंडीशनर अपने बालों में बिना वो करे like बिना धोए छोड़ दूँ, then it would become a leave-in conditioner. So that's what I did और मेरे पूरे बाल आज स्कूल में चूतिए थे. Anyway, let's fuck that shit. I don't give a fuck. भाई थोड़े comfortable पोर्शन में आते हैं. राइट, रिसेंटली ना आई वेंट थ्रू अ बैड फेज इन माई लाइफ, आई वुड से दैट. ऐसा फेज नहीं कि भाई मेरे माँ बाप मर गए, राइट, या घर छीन लिया, घर हड़प लिया किसी ने, या कुछ बहुत ट्रोमैटिक एंड शिट. ऐसा फेज नहीं. मैं अपने ऐसे लाइक हाँ इतना बुरा फेज नहीं, बट आई डिड गो थ्रू अ वेरी dumb ass phase, and you can see this from my videos where I was saying some crazy shit, right? एंड इट्स वेरी कूल. लाइक मैंने ये सब डॉक्यूमेंट करा, मैं फ्यूचर में ऐसे इन सब चीज़ों को देखूंगा ना, आई वुड बी लाइक कि मेरे क्या फेजेस थे लाइफ में. बट इंशाल्लाह आई एम गोइंग अप अगेन. मेरा डाउनफॉल चल रहा था, इवन दो आई प्रिडिक्टेड इट, बट इट वाज फकिंग टेरेबल. आई हेटेड एवरी सेकंड, आई हेटेड एवरी डे. अप्रैल वाज द वर्स्ट मंथ फॉर मी, बट नाउ आई एम गोइंग अप अगेन एंड आई लव मे. राइट, I'm going to Thailand and I paid for half of the trip myself, right? So May is looking good for me. May is definitely looking good for me. Abhi, as of right now, I'm not earning that much, but I know for a fact, June के end तक I would be making good enough money, right, through sales, right? Finally, जो मैं last 2 महीनों से चूतियों की तरह effort put on कर रहा था, वो कुछ तो अब results दे रहा है, and I like it. But anyway, in this bad phase though, I learned a lot. I genuinely learned a lot about myself, right? And I would say I had some pretty crazy character development. And उसमें से एक चीज़ ना मैंने आज सीखी है. And you can see that from the title of this video, right? Basically यार, I realized something today. And that something is that I have a very like गंदा वाला superiority complex. And let me tell you the story of how I realized it. तो आज यार ये हुआ कि I had this very good friend in the past. Like we used to do everything together भाई, ऐसे business करते थे, and we had like very similar mindsets, right? But the thing was यार, I always used to look at myself as someone like let me tell you another thing. That friendship ended like a month ago, 40 days ago to be exact. And even though देख वो friendship भाई दोनों के mutual mistake से end हुई, right? I'm saying friendship as if it's a fucking relationship, but भाई same भाई it's a fucking relationship भाई. अगर तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त में ऐसे भाई दोस्ती खत्म हो जाती है, then it's like a fucking breakup, right? It's like a fucking breakup. So देख यही हुआ मेरे साथ भाई, ऐसे like at the start I was like भाई वो चूतिया है, and the thing was the friendship ended because of jealousy, right? Jealousy. So basically the thing was कि वो बंदा मुझसे jealous था, मैं भी उससे jealous था. I realized that I am a bad friend to him भाई, तो फिर क्या इससे दोस्त रहूँ. So that's the thing. We like ended it. We don't talk anymore, right? We don't talk anymore. Fuck dude, I'm so cringe भाई. एक तो मैं इतनी कैफीन पे हूँ, माँ की चूत. But anyway, let's not get distracted. So the thing was कि हाँ ये context था भाई कि अब हम दोस्त नहीं हैं and shit. And the thing was I used to look at myself always as better, like in comparison to him. And the thing was I would say that I wouldn't deny the fact. I was always smarter than him, right? I was always, जब मैं जिम को seriously लेता था, I always used to lift more than him, right? And I was just overall like better in a lot of things, एंड द थिंग वाज यार, मैं खुद को बोलता था और मैं उसको भी बोलता था, dude I'm better than you, I'm better than you, bro I'm better than you in this, in this, in this, in this. और कुछ कुछ चीज़ों में वो मुझसे better था. He was always good look, like better looking than me, right? So वो भी ये fact मेरे अंदर dwell करता था that dude you look like shit, you have terrible genetics. तो हम एक दूसरे को ऐसे like superiority, inferiority complex हमें एक दूसरे को होता था. राइट, मैं कुछ चीज़ों में उससे बेटर था, वो कुछ चीज़ों में मुझसे बेटर था. सो वी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस वेरी जेलस कंपैरेटिव रिलेशनशिप. प्लस हम बहुत कंपैरेटिव थे एंड आई एम स्टिल वेरी कंपैरेटिव. अगर कोई लौंडा मेरी एज का मुझसे ज़्यादा अचीव कर रहा है, मेरी गांड बहुत जलती है. आई वुड से बोथ अ गुड थिंग एंड अ बैड थिंग. बट द थिंग इज यार, we both of us, we were very competitive, and the thing is there is good competition and there is bad competition, and we had like unhealthy, bad competition. We used to generally think of each other's downfall while sending each other reels of friendship ki, making sure that me and my homeboy like eats on the same table. Bhai fucking ऐसे जो reels आती है ना Insta पे, right, that you send to your friends, right, and we used to send each other these reels while like fucking thinking of each other's downfall कि भाई काश ये बंदा मुझ में ये हो जाए, वो हो जाए. And let me tell you one thing, our biggest thing that we used to compete on was money. कौन पैसे कमाएगा सबसे पहले, कौन सबसे ज़्यादा पैसे कमाएगा. Because we always had this business type of mindset. We wanted to earn money while we were young. And both of us collectively, we used to look at other people at our age and we used to see, भाई ये बंदा देख, ये बंदा वो कर रहा है, ये बंदा वो नहीं कर रहा, भाई we are so much better than these type of people. You know, you see that anti type of mindset. Yeah, we had that. So anyway, जो भी हुआ वो भी हुआ. I started earning money earlier than him. I mean, I don't think he earns money. I haven't talked to him in like a month, and I don't think a month can change a lot. But I started earning money, and I started earning a lot, like 2 lakhs a month. 1.5 lakhs a month. And I started bullying him. ठीक है, मैं उसकी गलतियां नहीं बताऊंगा. In this, I don't want to give you like his mistakes कि भाई उसने क्या गलती करी. उसमें भी problems थी, but I don't think I need to focus on that because he's not my friend anymore. I don't give a shit. I need to focus on my problems. And the thing is, I was dwelling this fact in his mind कि bro, I am better than you. You are not better than me. I am superior than you. You are inferior to me. You are like a piece of king. I don't know. क्या था भाई, Wolf of Wall Street में कुछ तो था. I don't remember कि मैं क्या बोलने वाला था. But yeah, मैं उसके दिमाग में fact dwell कर रहा था. Even though he was my very good friend, right? Like भाई लोग ऐसे, हमें कुछ दो लौंडे होते हैं ना भाई कि तुम अगर कोई उस बंदे को अकेले देखता था तो फिर उसको लगता था कि भाई मैं मर गया. Because we were always together. And we had like a very good friendship. So, मैं उसके दिमाग में, even though we were like such good friends, मैं उसके दिमाग में ये बोलने लगा, like उसको ये बोलने लगा, भाई I'm better than you in this, I'm better than you in that, and all this shit. And I started feeling very superior. Even though I used to feel superior to him like in other things, but this was the thing that जिसमें मैं बहुत superior feel कर रहा था. Because I had achieved like results that people my age were not achieving. So obviously ये हुआ, right? और वो बंदा obviously मुझसे jealous होने लगा. Obviously होता है. वो बंदी और मेरी like उस और मेरी personality like बहुत similar थी. So this thing happened, and yeah, like the friendship broke off. And today I saw him again, and the thing is, one thing that I always used to feel superior of was कि जब मैं जिम को बहुत सीरियसली लेता था, राइट, तो आई वॉज लाइक ऑलवेज दैट टाइप ऑफ गाय हु वुड लिफ्ट अ लॉट. लाइक माई लैट पुल डाउन, माई डेड लिफ्ट, दे वर लॉट. माई बेंच प्रेस वॉज अ लॉट फॉर माई एज व्हेन आई वाज लाइक 15ish. तो मैंने रिसेंटली वापस जिम स्टार्ट किया है बिकॉज आई गॉट लाइक रियली फकिंग फैट. सो मेरे अंदर अब भी ये प्राइड थी कि भाई मैं बहुत वेट उठा सकता हूँ. आई स्टिल लिफ्ट अ लॉट. माई लैट पुल डाउन इज लाइक 70 fucking kg, which is very good. Honestly, लोग ये नहीं अचीव कर पाते. And even though I stopped hitting the gym for like 5, 6, 7 months, I am still able to like lat pull down 70 kilograms, right? Because I'm taking gym seriously again. और मेरे अंदर ये बहुत ज़्यादा pride है, dude. जब मैं जिम में लोगों को देखता हूँ अपने से बड़े लोगों को, और देखता हूँ कि भाई वो 40 किलो कर रहे हैं, और मैं ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि भाई ये तो मेरा वार्म अप भी नहीं है. सो आई गेट दिस लाइक सेंस ऑफ डोपामिन. सो द थिंग इज, वो बंदा लाइक मैं अपने को एज ए सुपीरियर देखता था उस बंदे से. इवन एट लाइक आवर लिफ्ट्स, हमेशा आई वाज लिफ्टिंग मोर देन हिम. बट टुडे भाई, आज भाई, fuck me, that guy like walked into the gym, and I'm not saying, you know, the like the in normal like flat bench press with dumbbells. मैंने, even though my weight is like I'm 10 kg, like 10-12 kilograms like heavier than him, मैं 25 किलो के बस 4-5 रेप्स कर पाया, और वो बंदे ने 25 किलो के 12-13-14 कुछ ऐसे रेप्स करे थे. I'm like, what the fuck, dude. Because the thing is, भाई, I was always better than him. I was the guy जो ये सब इतना वेट करता था, and he was the guy जो ऐसे साइड में ऐसे बस देखता था. And when I saw him like that, I was like, fuck me, bro, fuck, oh my god, what the fuck. And the same thing happened with the lat pull down machine. तो हम ऐसे lat pull down कर रहे थे, right? मैं ऑब्वियसली हम एक दूसरे से इतना बात कर नहीं रहे थे, म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड्स के बीच में भाई हम एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे कि भाई ये कितना वेट उठा रहा है, वो कितना वेट उठा रहा है. सो उसने लैट पुल डाउन, ही डिड लाइक 70 kg के 6-7 रेप्स करे, एंड आई वाजंट इवन एबल टू रेप लाइक 70 kilograms with assist. So I got like really humble today. And the thing was, भाई मैं ऐसे खुद के दिमाग में सोचने लगा, भाई ये बंदा स्टेरॉइड ले रहा है, जो आई वुड से पॉसिबिलिटी है, बिकॉज 2 महीने पहले उसकी इतनी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं थी. बट आई डोंट वांट टू कंसिडर दैट फैक्ट. इज ही टेकिंग स्टेरॉइड्स? आई डोंट नो, गुड फॉर हिम, गॉड ब्लेस हिम, आई डोंट गिव अ फक. बट मैं ये सब सोच रहा था. एंड द थिंग इज, मैं आज एक सेल्स कॉल ले रहा था, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि भाई हाँ, क्या पता वो बंदा मुझसे जिम में बेटर हो एंड शिट ब्रो, बट आई एम अर्निंग मनी, ही इज नॉट ब्रो एंड शिट. तो तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार मैं चूतिया हूँ, जेन्युइनली मैं कितना बड़ा चूतिया हूँ. I'm being insecure, I am being irrational, मैं ये सब dumb thoughts सोच रहा हूँ, and I'm obsessing over a thing which is not really that big. So अब मैं main meat of this video पे आता हूँ. What did I learn from this incident today? The thing is, भाई, if you want to stop feeling inferior to others, what you need to do is that you need to stop looking at yourself as superior. क्योंकि मैं तेरे को एक analogy देता हूँ, and I learned this from an Instagram reel that I saw a while ago. From a girl, actually. Right. Yeah, chicks do talk sense sometimes. Just kidding. But yeah, she was talking about ki if everybody is dealt different cards, and if you're dealt, and whatever cards you're dealt with, you should use them as unfairly as possible, so that you can have an unfair advantage over other people. Some people are born rich, some people are born into money, while some people are born with crazy good genetics. तो भाई सबको अलग अलग कार्ड्स दिए जाते हैं. एंड द थिंग आई रियलाइज इज दैट व्हाट पीपल डू इज कि जो उनको कार्ड्स अच्छे दिए जाते हैं, जैसे कि मैं तेरे को अपना एग्जांपल देता हूँ, इट्स माय स्ट्रेंथ इन जिम. आई वुड से इट इज लाइक बेटर देन द यूजुअल जिम रैट माय एज, राइट? इवन दो आई स्टॉप हिटिंग द जिम फॉर अ व्हाइल, मेरी स्ट्रेंथ बहुत जल्दी मैंने रीगेन कर दी. दैट्स वन थिंग. Secondly, I always looked at myself as smarter than everybody else. कि भाई कम पढ़ के अच्छे मार्क्स लाना. बोर्ड्स में भी dude, what I did was like मैंने कुछ एक दिन पहले हर सब्जेक्ट की पढ़ाई करी 10 बोर्ड्स में, and I still got like 92%. So I had that superiority complex that I'm smarter than everybody else. Another thing is with this money shit, कि bro, I'm smarter than the average guy, right? I am better than the average guy my age, or people that are 10 years older than me, you know, I'm making money, they are not, this, and all that dumb shit, which was even reflected in my videos, if you see my previous videos. And basically a lot of things, I look at myself, मैं बहुत चीज़ों में खुद को as a superior देखता हूँ. And one of those things is my social skills, which I have a pride in, because I never had good social skills, but I did build them from scratch, and I'm a very confident guy, I would say, but I do also have pride in that. But the thing is, some things I'm not very good at. One thing is my slow metabolism. I'm not using this as a cope, but my metabolism is slow as fuck. Same thing is with my mom, and yeah, that's some bad genetics. Another thing is probably my back is not very good. मैं बहुत जिम के examples दे रहा हूँ, but I think you must be getting the point. My back is not very good. My muscle building genetics are not very good, even though my strength genetics are good. और किन चीज़ों में? Maybe my height. I'm giving you a lot about my physical features because the thing is, बहुत लोग inferior feel करते हैं because of the physical features only. My height, even though I'm not that, I'm 5'11", bhai. I'm 5'11", I just realized that I'm like taller than most people. But what used to happen was that whenever I used to go on walks, what used to happen was कि जो लोग मुझसे छोटे होते थे ना, I would like, oh my god, मैं क्या ये 10th 11th में ये करता था that जिनकी भी हाइट मुझसे छोटी होती थी, I would look at them and I would kind of दिमाग में make fun of them and I would like कि bro, I height mocked that guy. Mocked. Yeah, I don't use that word anymore, but fuck, I used to use it back in the day. I height mocked that guy. Same thing. अगर कोई मेरे से लंबा होता था तो मैं थोड़ा इनसिक्योर फील करता था. सो मान ले मैं वॉक कर रहा हूँ, मेरे साइड से इतने लोग चल रहे हैं, कुछ मुझसे छोटे हैं, कुछ मुझसे लंबे हैं. सो माई कॉन्फिडेंस वॉज लाइक दिस. कभी मैं कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा था बिकॉज दैट गाय वॉज शॉर्टर दैन मी, कभी मैं लेस कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा था बिकॉज दैट गाय वॉज टॉलर दैन मी. And the thing is, as a guy, height is a very big thing. A lot of guys are insecure about their height. But let me tell you one thing. How to fix this inferiority complex shit? जो भी तेरे को अच्छे कार्ड्स डील करे गए हैं ना, क्योंकि देख सबको अच्छे कार्ड्स डील करे गए हैं, सबको बुरे कार्ड्स डील करे गए हैं, right? And the thing is, if you use these cards in the right combination for that smartly, and you fulfill the potential of these cards, for that you using hard work, you will get the same result as everybody else. That is success. Because the thing is, I have seen like very bad looking guys with like who are short, who are not at all good looking, bag the baddies. And I've seen like tall looking guys who are very good looking without any girlfriend or without getting any game in the dating market. So दोनों पे इतने different cars deal करे गए हैं, but the results are so different. One guy is successful and the other guy isn't. The thing is, if you use these cards correctly in the right combination and you fulfill their potential, you will become successful. And the thing is, you got to use these cards in an like unfairly. तेरे को कुछ cards use करने पड़ेंगे. For example, I'm good at like socializing. I'm good at building rapport with people. What the fuck is this? I'm good at like building a connection with people. So that's why I'm into sales. I'm good at that. I am good at making other people like me and making other people laugh. So that's why I got into sales and selling to other people and being authoritative. I'm good at that. So I'm using it. Some things I'm not good at. So I'm not using that. But I'm not insecure about them anymore after this incident. अब मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ. Let's say you're good at one thing. Let's say you are a very tall guy with very high testosterone. I'm giving examples of men. If you're a woman, you must be getting the point, right? You're not that dumb, right? Right? I don't know. But let's say you are a guy who is tall, like 6'2". He has a very high testosterone, but the thing is, he's very ugly, very fucking ugly. Ajeeb se facial features, and he's literally retarded, and he doesn't know what to do with his life. Same thing, side में एक और बंदा है. He's short, relatively. He's 5'8", but he's very good looking. He has that face card that usually short guys have, and he's very fucking smart. The thing is that वो बंदा ना जो छोटा है, he's going to feel superior because वो बंदा उस दूसरे बंदे से स्मार्ट है, और वो बंदा the short guy उससे better looking है. So he's going to feel superior in those cards that God has given him. But like साथ में he would feel inferior with the bad cards that God have given him. जैसे कि हाइट, वो उस बंदे से थोड़ा जेलस होगा और वो थोड़ा इंफीरियोरिटी फील करेगा जब वो उस बंदे को देखेगा एंड सी लाइक ये बंदा तो भाई लंबा है भैंचोद मुझसे, सो ही वुड फील इंफीरियर एंड द सेम थिंग वुड हैपन टू दैट गाय। वो बंदा उससे लंबा है, सो फिर वो उस बंदे को लगेगा कि भाई मैं तो इस बंदे से सुपीरियर हूँ ब्रो इन दिस रेल्म, लेकिन वो बंदा क्या पता इंफीरियर फील करे जब वो ये स्मार्ट छोटा स्मार्ट बंदा कोई स्मार्ट कोई बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहा है और वो लंबा रिटार्डेड बंदा उस चीज़ को ग्रास्प कर ही नहीं पा रहा। So the point that I'm trying to make for the past 21 fucking minutes is that you're going to be dealt with, भगवान ने तेरे को अच्छे कार्ड्स दिए हैं, भगवान ने तेरे को बुरे कार्ड्स दिए हैं। What you need to do is that let's say tomorrow you feel you have this superiority thing कि भाई मैं इस चीज़ में दूसरों से अच्छा हूँ। Humble yourself, humble yourself। नहीं ठीक है, हाँ मैं उस चीज़ देख मैं उस बंदे से वेट उठाने में क्या पता अच्छा हूँ, बट क्या पता उसको वो कार्ड्स डील करे गए हों जिसमें वो बहुत चीजों में मुझसे अच्छा है, राइट? या बहुत लोग हैं भाई जो मुझसे ज्यादा वेट उठा रहे हैं, सो आई शुडंट रियली लाइक आई शुड फील ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई शुड ऑब्वियसली भाई मुझे अपने अचीवमेंट देखने चाहिए कि मैं ये सब कर पा रहा हूँ, बट ऑल्सो भाई मुझे नहीं इतना अपने अचीवमेंट्स को इतना आगे और या इतना ओवर एग्जैजरेट करना चाहिए अपने दिमाग में, या ओवर एम्फेसाइज करना चाहिए। आई थिंक ओवर एम्फेसिस इज द राइट वर्ड। इतना ओवर एम्फेसिस करना चाहिए दैट वो मेरे दिमाग में चढ़ जाए और वो मुझे ईगो आ जाए, फक मी माय फकिंग हेड, फक यू, राइट? सेम चीज। सो द थिंग इज I believe the first step to fixing your inferiority complex is you need to stop looking at other people like you need to stop looking at yourself as someone who is superior. अगर तू खुद को superior देखेगा ना एक चीज में, तो इसका मतलब तू खुद को inferior भी देख रहा है दूसरी चीज में। So that's the first thing you need to do if you want to stop that inferiority complex. The second thing is कि भाई कुछ लोग तुझसे better होंगे कुछ चीजों में। मेरी गांड में बहुत बड़ा कीड़ा है that I need to be better than every other person, and that is good. I mean that makes me very competitive and that makes me very motivated to work even when I don't want to. But the thing is कि because of this, मान ले अगर मेरे सामने कोई बंदा है जिसके जेनेटिक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, जो probably एक अमीर घर से है, what would happen is that मैं उसको देखूंगा and I would feel insecure कि भाई यार ये बंदा तो वो वैसा है, ये बंदा तो वैसा है, that this is better, like वो उस चीज़ में मुझसे बेटर है, राइट? ये है वो है। And the thing is, all you need to do if you ever feel like this, if you ever feel inferior to somebody कि वो किसी चीज़ में अच्छा है, first thing that you need to do is that you need to realize that dude, this guy is been dealt better cards than me. And that's okay, that's completely okay. क्योंकि क्या पता मैं कुछ चीज़ों में उससे better हूँ, and that's also good. That's the first thing that you need to do if you feel inferior to somebody. And the second thing is कि you need to also ask yourself कि भाई how can I use this? Like how can I look at this positively? If I look at a guy who is lifting more than me and he's let's say younger than me, like I'm 17, I'm going to turn 17 in like 20 days, yeah. And if I see a guy who is like 14 and he's lifting more than me, I would obviously मेरा थोड़ी बहुत ego hurt होगी मेरी। The thing is, I can take this with some inferiority complex कि भाई यार ये बंदा क्यों ऐसा है, ये बंदा वो इसकी genetics क्यों अच्छा है, या मैं इसको ऐसे देख सकता हूँ कि okay, yeah, this guy has been dealt better cards than me in this realm of life, in this part of his life, but maybe I am dealt better cards. I have been dealt better cards by God in दूसरी चीज़ों में, हाँ. That's the first thing, that's the first step. And the second step I would say is how can I improve? Okay, so I'm not hitting the gym consistently, right? तो क्या solution है जिससे मैं consistent हो जाऊँ? I start going to the gym at a time जिसमें बाकी चीज़ों से मेरा overlap ना करे, या I'm not eating a good diet right now, so how can I improve that? So you need to, अगर तू खुद को as an inferior देखे तब you need to follow these 2 steps, and you also need to do another thing, that you need to stop looking at yourself as superior to others, because then if you stop looking at yourself as superior to others, तू एक हमेशा नॉर्मल से इस स्टेट में रहेगा instead of ये वाला स्टेट, because this state is bad, dude. This state wouldn't allow you to make decisions. You would always be like an emotional bitch, and that's bad. And that would fuck up your shit in your business if you are running one, or in your relationships, because honestly at the end of the day, no fucking girl likes a man, right? No fucking girl likes a man who is extremely insecure and who has like that superiority complex. समझ रहा है? So just know that, and I guess follow this advice. This is probably the longest video I've ever created, because this is a very important video. But anyway, if you have watched it this far, very good. Good job, bye. Anyway, fuck me, bhai. मेरी अभी एक sales call है वापस. But yeah, let's meet again.